Kabalen. Welcome to Wern, Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, bibisitahin natin itong bagong-bagong premium seafood restaurant dito sa may Philap Highway, Angeles City.
Guys, if you are into crabs, prawns, and seafood in general, guys, samahan nyo po kami. You're gonna love this.
So tara,
Let's go! Alright, so yun guys, dito, yung mga crabs natin, right from the aquarium, buhay na buhay sila guys. And then doon pa lang nila iluluto actually. So, ito mga sample. Tingnan natin ito. Oh, look at this! This is so big! Ay, grabe! Oh, look at this! This is good. Wow! Laki nito. Galit na galit siya guys. Alright, bye guys! Eat you later!
Hi po!
So let's talk about naman yung dining area nila. Actually, my first impression, very luxurious. Kitang-kita mo talaga na binigyan nilang space for everyone to roam around. Very large, no? Napakalaki ng seating capacity niya. Dito sa side na to, meron tayong mga secluded rooms that is good for 6, parang mga ganun, no? 6 or 8. So depende sa inyo guys kung anong gusto nyo. So yun guys, dito naman tayo sa kanilang rooftop. Kung ang tipo niya naman view like this, you can choose to dine here. So meron tayong view deck dito. Ayan. Wow, nakakalula. Oh man. So from here, you have a view of Porac Mountain Range. Ayan. And then dito rin yung view natin ng highway. So it's up to you guys where you wanna enjoy it. Pero para sa akin, this one, no? Porac Mountain View. Nice! I believe ito yung mga pinapakolor nila sa mga kids when they dine here. Para hindi sila mainip. Ito yung ginagawa nila. Kinukulay nila guys. And then sinishare nila dito sa wall na to. Alright, so we are on our suit. Mga nakabib kami guys. Ayan, red crab. Are you ready guys?
Hi, we're ready!
So yun guys, mention ko lang yung mga pin-repair nila sa atin. So meron tayong black pepper, meron din tayong spicy at saka ng chili for the crabs. For the prawns naman, meron tayong gambas, meron din tayong garlic, and then lastly meron tayong seafood tempura. For the rice, they call it Shanghai rice at saka kangkong. Now for the drinks, meron tayong avocado, we also have a calamansi aid, coconut shake at saka ng mango shake. So yun guys, that's all for the introduction. Let's get into it. Let's go! Nanggip. Yun. Wow! What?
Oh, kagandahan dito sa mga sinaserve nila, talagang premium yung meat, premium yung crab, yung shrimp. Napaka-quality nila. Tignan mo to, napakalaki.
So may mga buns tayo dito guys. Notice. Break it. Tingnan natin yung sauce from this. Yeah.
So ako naman, meron akong nakita kanina kung paano kumain ng crabs. So, susubukan natin gayahin. So, siyempre kunin lang natin tong mga, yung fried, niya, ano to, fried taba ng talangka.
Alige.
Ayan, fried alige, no? Ayan, tapos bigyan natin siya ng konting rice and sauce. Then let's mix it. Ito na. Ready to eat.
What?
You know?
What?
Sarap.
So lahat pala dito, mga sinaserve nila guys, seafood ang mga meat. So like for example, this one, itong mga sahog natin dito, mga prawns din siya. Alright. Okay, so syempre titingnan din natin itong kanilang stir-fried kangkong.
Yeah. Pwede na, oh. So, ganito din katataba yung mga crabs nila. So, kahit yung claw, pwede nyo kainin.
And there you have it. Isa na namang seafood day. Mark, ano ba yung nagustuhan mo?
Actually, nagustuhan ko yung kanilang chili garlic.
Wow.
At the same time, yung quality ng mga crabs nila and yung mga prawn nila, talagang napaka-legit.
Ako naman nagustuhan ko yung kanilang black pepper. Para sa akin, napaka-solid yung lasa. Strong in flavor. And para sa akin, sa mga seafood, ganun talaga yung mga gusto ko.
Yes, actually, yung mga napaka-premium nila.
Yes. Now, for the prawns, yung gambas naman yung nagustuhan ko. So, guys, another place for you to check out. This is Red Crab. Hopefully, mabisit niyo po ang lugar na to. This is a seafood haven for those looking for these kinds of food.
Yeah, so this is located dito sa may Philam Highway, Aguila City. So, pinaka-landmark lang niya, nasa 3rd and 4th floor siya ng Retro 252. And they're open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
There you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here and we hope to see you in the next video. Until next time,
Peace out!
bye guys!